Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a sponsor video. I'm going to tell you what I am going to be showing you guys today. They are very nice, and here are what they are. These are the Cougar motor LED headlights. There's the part number, the Cougar-F6-9007. And these are their newest LED headlights from them. They just came out with these. I didn't look inside the box yet, so I don't know what's in there. But these are 65,000 or 6,500K. These are 2,000 lumens per bulb, so they should be pretty bright. And there's that there. And it has on the box what vehicles they fit, so I'll give you to you guys. There's those, and those. Again, these are their newest and latest LED headlights from Cougar Motor. So let's look inside the box. I have LED headlights now in my Mustang, and they are garbage. I'm not going to tell you what brand they are because I don't want to throw the company under the bus. Try to get this open here. Oh, I hate doing this. I should have opened this up before I did this video. There we go. It's good to have big hands. Here's the instruction book. There's everything here. I believe these are the flagships. Let's take one out of the box. Here they are. It's got a nice fan on it. I believe the fan is silent. And I believe this knob right here is adjustable. It is adjustable. There's the low beam and the high beam. These are very nice. I paid $86 and whatever on Amazon. I got $13 off, so I paid $70-something for these. They are refunding me my money. Again, this is a sponsorship video. I recommend you guys go buy a pair of these headlights. You will not be disappointed in the quality. I read a lot of views on Amazon about these headlights, and they're all good reviews. So go get yourself a pair of these. Again, they are 2,000 lumens per bulb, 65K. It's got a ballast thing on it. The cord thing is like a nylon thing. These are very nice. Very nice. These are way better quality than the ones I have now. I can't wait to do an install video on these, and I've seen pictures of these on, and they are very bright. I like them. So go grab yourself a pair from Amazon or go to their website. Their website is cougarmotor.com, and go get yourself a pair. Tell your friends about these. Buy 2 pairs. I showed you the vehicles that they have them for. I can't wait to get rid of the ones in my car and put these ones in. Man, these are nice. Very nice. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any comments, leave your comments down below. Hit that bell, hit that subscribe button. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.